Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to block Roblox on PC or laptop. First step, type Control Panel into the search bar and open it. Then click on Category in the upper right corner and select Large Icons. Next step, open the Windows Defender firewall. Then click Advanced Settings from the menu on the left. Click on Outbound Rules once. Then click New Rule in the menu on the right. Make sure the program box is checked and click the Next button. Then click the Browse button. In the window that opens, go to Desktop, right-click on Roblox Player, and click Open File Location. Once you click on the Roblox Player beta file, then click the Open button. Then click Next. Make sure the Block the Connection box is checked, and then click the Next button again. In this section, all three boxes must be checked. After checking them, click Next. Give these settings a memorable name so you can find them when you want to remove or change them, and click the Finish button. From now on, unless you delete these settings, you will encounter an error every time you try to open Roblox. To regain access to Roblox, you need to reopen the Outbound Rules page. Find the rule you created and delete it. Once you delete the rule, you should be able to log back into Roblox. As you can see, I'm no longer encountering any errors because I deleted the rule. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to block Roblox on PC or laptop was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.